When you notice a bird for the first time, I mean when you really notice a bird for the first time, something changes inside you. Everyday places like this path, park, and even your own backyard become places for everyday adventure. And at the beginning, it can all feel a little bit overwhelming. All of the sounds, the movement, the birds, can really make one pause and wonder. And that's why I took some time and I sat down and thought, there has to be a better way and an easier way for kids and for people who are getting started to really come to understand birding. And that's why I created FeatherQuest Discovery. Unlike most traditional field guides, Discovery takes a step back and focuses on the bird family as a whole. So in the book, you'll find some families and information about the bird and what makes each family unique. You'll find where to look to find them, a few of its neighbors, and then a few questions that you can ask yourself to help you notice a little bit more about each family. And once you start to notice these patterns, birding becomes a whole lot easier and a lot more fun. And everyday walks like this, and even your own backyard, start to become places where amazing things can happen. So if you've ever felt that spark or curiosity about birds, or know someone who has, FeatherQuest Discovery is a great place to start.